Hello, I'm Vicki Loris and I'm here to tell you about my experiences from the Reform Symposium, which took place from the 29th of July to the 31st. I must admit it was my first proper RSCon because in the previous two ones I'd only attended a few sessions due to time pressure, but this time I decided to watch more, even though I was working 2 of the 3 days. First of all, I'll talk to you about my experience as a participant. I absolutely loved it. I couldn't stop watching session after session after session. It was so well organized and everything ran so smoothly. I learned so many things about technology and education, about critical thinking, about anything you can imagine in the field of education. I was also a presenter this time, and thanks to Joe Hart, Phil Hart, Chu Pang, Clive Elsmore, and Shelley Terrell, who trained us, we were able to use the Blackboard Illuminate room. Everything went fantastic, and it was absolutely the experience of a lifetime because I learned, I connected. It was fantastic, and I can't wait for the 4th Reform Symposium to learn even more. And the thing I learned most of all was that next time I'm going to take 3 days off from work so that I can watch the Reform Symposium, the whole thing, because I missed some of the sessions. The good thing is that most of them are on video, so that's great. And I hope and I'm sure that all of you enjoyed it too, and many thanks to the whole Reform Symposium group. They were fantastic. A big thank you.